Hello everyone. Namaste. This is Aditi Gupta. About acceptance, I want to share with you that if you're not accepting a situation, a person, or even yourself, that means you are resisting it. You are resisting that situation, that person, or even yourself. When we are not accepting things, rather we are resisting things, then we consume our energy in resisting. That means our energy get focused on the things which we do not want, and the energy which is left to channelize in the directions, in the places, in the situations which we do want is very less. So it's always a better strategy to accept things so that your energy to be channelized in productive things, in the things which you want, is more. It means a lot if you comment in the comment box. And you can visit my website also. It's theaditigupta.com, theaditigupta.com. It's written in the YouTube description box below. Now, before going, I want to pray to this universe that it stays with you, keeps you healthy, happy, makes you prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. This is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.